quiet night. My steps go slow without direction, but your shadow always comes back again, and your traces stay inside my heart. Every place reminds me of you. Your laughter still echoes in my mind. I tried forgetting everything about you, but my heart keeps going back to you. Maybe I still cannot forget you, because my heart still chooses you. But my love returns back to you. If someday we meet again somewhere, I just wanna hold you again, even if we can't be like before. Your trace will still stay inside my heart. Maybe I still cannot forget you, because my heart still chooses you. Your traces still remain never fading, even as time goes by. I try to erase all the memories, but my love returns back to you. My love returns back to you. I try to erase all the memories, but my